Welcome Shopify fans. In this video, I want to show you how you can offer digital products for download without actually messing around with your fulfillment settings. It's very easy to set up in Shopify, so let me walk you through. All we need is pretty much two simple steps. We need a product and we need a way to fulfill it. On the product side, I already went ahead and created one. I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So this is just our plant store, our demo store. I added this plant-based protein guide, and when we open it up, the main things I changed: ignore the description. That's just something I tried to come up with. We have one media. This is just our base image. We set the price, of course. We're not going to charge tax on this product as it's a digital item. And cost per item, of course, is 0, and we don't want to track quantity. Everything else, we kind of keep the same. If you want to use tags, do that, but that's all we need to actually offer it. Now, how do we actually fulfill it? I'm going to move my face so you can see the apps. All we need is called the Digital Downloads app by Shopify itself. I'm going to show you how to add it. So we go in apps, we're search for digital downloads. You should see it here. It's also free, so you're just going to install it. And that's going to take us back to our store, and we're pretty much done. And I'm going to show you how to customize it. We click install again. Now all we have to do, we open up the app. It's already opening. Then you can see our products here, but this is now, right now, it's still a base product. The app doesn't know it's a digital product. So we want to actually attach now a digital file. So click on the Add Digital Files link. That's going to open up this extra view. And then in here, I'm just going to say wherever my files are, course files, and the protein guide. So this is now the guide that everyone should get. And in here, we also have the setting of the fulfillment. So you can click on this, and then you can see it defaults to automatic fulfillment. So even if your store is set to manual fulfillment, meaning your physical goods you have to fulfill manually, your digital goods will still be sent automatically. If you want to change it to manual, do it here. But I think most people probably will go with the default option, automatically fulfill it, because there's nothing for us to send out. We want people to get their links immediately. Click apply if you made some changes. Then in here, we can also go into the settings, and don't forget to save. We can also go into the settings, and then you see there's 2 automatic emails that we're getting. We have the download ready, meaning whenever someone purchases, they get a notification saying, hey, customer, and we can of course customize this. Hey, name, thank you for your purchase. Here's your download, and then all the files that they purchased. And we also have the file update. This is an email they get as soon as we update our file to like a newer version. Maybe we change the guide to include more sections. They will automatically get an update saying, hey, we just updated your file. You can follow this link and download the latest version. That's everything we have to do. Now, whenever someone purchases your product, you don't have to worry about fulfillment. They will be auto-fulfilled. They get an email with a download link. And of course, if they go to their user account, they can also access all of the links. I hope this was helpful, and join me in the next one.